Hey everyone, this is a quick platform video on how you can purchase or upgrade any of your AiSensy subscription plans. So once you create a project on AiSensy and get your WhatsApp Business API live, by default you are in the free forever plan, right? And now if you want to take a basic plan, pro plan, along with some flows add-ons, that is something which you can directly buy from the dashboard itself. So you can either click on explore plans to explore the plans that we have, or you can click on here, it will showcase you your current plan. So you can click on get a plan to take a plan from here itself. Now, for example, I want to go ahead with the monthly basic plan along with the flows add-on. So it will be triple nine rupees per month plus one triple nine rupees per month for 5 flows. I can choose the billing address that I want. I can edit the billing address here itself if I want. But let's suppose I have the correct billing address, India, Haryana. Let's suppose I want to add Mohit Dua. Email is this, phone number is this, company is AiSensy. This is the address. So I updated the address here itself. And I click on close. I click on get a plan, choose basic monthly. Payment method can be I can add a card or I can directly purchase now, and it will ask me the my preferred method of making the payment. So I can click on purchase now, and it will showcase me the plan that I want to take ahead with. So it's 999 per month plus flows add-on, that is 199 rupees, and GST amount is this much. I can click on proceed to checkout. This is my billing address that I've already filled up. In case I haven't filled up the billing address, you can fill up in this step while making the payment. Now you can choose credit card or UPI to make the payment. I'll be choosing credit card for ease. Once I've added the card details, it will show me the screen. I need to click on next. And this will showcase me the billing address, my shipping address. This is the payment method. I click on pay now. It will take me to a screen where I need to enter the OTP. And once the OTP is entered and the payment is confirmed, the plan will get automatically updated. So I'll just quickly enter the OTP that is coming for me. All right. So the transaction and the payment has been completed. It will take few seconds to map the payment and the plan that I made the payment for. And once it's done, it will show you a thank you page. You can click on close from here, and automatically your plan is upgraded. So if you can see, my current plan is now basic monthly, and I have also taken flows. So you can see it has also unlocked 5 flows for me. So this is how simply you can take any subscription plan on AiSensy dashboard itself. Also, once you have made the payment for your subscription and your subscription gets activated and you want to check out the invoice for the subscription, you can go to the manage section, go to billings and usage, click on invoices, and you'll be able to see all of your transaction history as well as your subscription that you have purchased right now, which is on 8th June. In case you want to download the invoice, click on download button and the invoice will get downloaded automatically. All right. Thank you so much.